Good morning, dear children. The last class we studied how to add length. Today we are going to study how to subtract length. For that, three questions are on the board. It's first one, 5 kilometer 645 meter minus 3 kilometer 565 meter. Then the second one, subtract 9 meter 75 centimeter from 15 meter 60 centimeter. Third one is directly written. It's a meter and millimeters are given. 10 meter 765 millimeter. From that we want to subtract 3 meter 675 millimeter. Okay. Then first we can do the first question. Here we can. Okay, the first one. In this, kilometer and meter are the units. Kilometer and meter. So we can write it in the top. It's kilometer. Here it's a meter. Then 5 kilometer 645 meter. 5 kilometer 645 meter minus which one, 3 kilometer. In the below of kilometer we want to write 3 and 565 meter. Here 565 meter. Okay, then we want to subtract 5 minus 5. How much it is? 5 minus 5. It's a 0. A number minus the same number gives 0. Okay, then 4 minus 6. It's not possible because upper number is small. So we can take 1 from here. Then this 6 will become 5 and here this 4 will become 14. Then 14 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then 5 minus 5, number minus the same number, it's a 0. Then 5 minus 3, it's a 2. So what is the answer? 2 kilometer. Then 0, 80, 0, 80 meter. Then if you want, you can avoid this 0 here. Then it will read as 80 meter. Clear? 2 kilometer 080 means here this 0 have no value. So 80 meter. Clear? Now we can go to the second question. Subtract 9 meter 75 centimeter from 15 meter 60 centimeter. Here first one, here the units are meter and centimeter. So first we can write the units. It's a meter and centimeter. Okay, then subtract 9 meter 75 centimeter from 15 meter 60 centimeter. Okay, we want to subtract this first unit from the second. From this we want to subtract the first one. Okay, otherwise we can say like that. In subtraction, from is there, then first we want to write the second number. Here it is the unit of length. Okay, so it's in meter 15. How much centimeter? 60 centimeter. From that, from this 15 meter 60 centimeter, we want to subtract 9 meter 75 centimeter. Then this 9 where we will write? Below of 1 or below of 5? Below of 5. The normal. How we are writing? Okay, then here it's a 75. We want to subtract these two. Then 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5, it's not possible because upper number is small. So we can take 1 from here. It's become 5 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5. How much it is? Okay, count. It's okay. It's 5. Then 5 minus 7. It's not possible. Then what we will do? We will take 1 from here. So it's become 4 and here it's become 15. Okay. 15 minus 7. How much it is? Okay, count. It's 8. Now it's 4 minus 9. It is not possible because upper number is small. Then what we will do? We will take 1 from here. It's become 14 and it's become 0. Okay, then 14 minus 9. How much it is? It's 5. Then here only 0. We don't want to write 0 here. Okay, then what is the answer? It's 5 meter 85 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, you want to write all these into your notebook. Okay, it's the question number 2. Then the third question, meter and millimeter. It's 10 meter 765 millimeter. Then 3 meter 675 millimeter. We can do this question here itself. Okay, then 5 minus 5, it's 0. Then 6 minus 7, it's not possible. Upper number is small. So we will take 1 from here. It's become 6 and it's become 16. Okay, then how much it is? 16 minus 7. Okay, count. How much you got? It's 9. Okay, then 6 minus 6, it's 0. Then 0 minus 3, it's not possible. So we can take this 1 here. It's 10. 10 minus 3, it's 7. So the answer is 7 meter 090 millimeter. 090 means it's 90 millimeter. Okay, 7 meter 90 millimeter. Page number 106. These 3 questions, first 3 questions A, B, C we done now, and the remaining D, E, F you want to do as homework. Okay, now we can go to the measuring mass. Measuring mass. This mass commonly we will say as weight, but there is a slight difference between this mass and weight that you will study in the higher classes. Okay, then the units we are using to measure this mass are milligram. Okay, milligram, then gram and kilogram. Kilogram. Okay, milligram, gram and kilogram. Then before that, all these units where we will use. Okay, suppose you went to a shop to purchase some sugar. Then how we will purchase sugar? How we will say to the shopkeeper? 1 kilo sugar. Okay, 1 kilogram sugar. In the short form we will say it as 1 kilo sugar. So it's a 1 kilogram sugar or 500 gram sugar. Okay, half kg. Okay, 1 kilogram sugar or 500 gram sugar. Or when we want to purchase some vegetables, then we will use the 500 grams of which vegetable we want to, lady's finger, okay, or brinjal, like that, or 1 kilogram brinjal or onion, like that we will purchase. Okay, to measure the weight of this brinjal or sugar, we are using this gram and kilogram. Okay, in textbook page number 108, it shows the pictures of some machine. It's used to measure the weight of an object. I think all these machines are familiar for you. Okay, then it's used in the grocery stores. Then now I think most of the shops is using this machine to measure. Okay, then I think this machine is familiar for you. Then the next one is using to measure the weight of the heavy objects. Okay, then these are the machines too. Some other machines also are also there. Then these are the machines used to measure the weight of the objects. Okay. Okay, then I told you the units of measuring mass are milligram, gram and kilogram. Then what is the relation between these all? So 1000 milligram, 1000 milligram in short we will write mg. Okay, 1000 milligram makes 1 gram. Okay, in short we can write small letter g. Okay, then from this we can write 1 gram equal to 1 milligram equal to 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Okay, then 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. From this what we can write? 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Okay, I will repeat. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram and 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Okay, 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Then 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram and 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. You want to by heart these four. Okay, but in the question, the conversion question, we can use the other method. Here we can start from the smallest unit. Smallest unit is milligram, then gram and then kilogram. Okay, then 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. So the gap here it's 1000 and gram to kilogram also it's 1000. Okay, when we move this direction, that is milligram to gram, then what we want to do? Milligram to gram, we want to divide. Okay, so if it is goes this direction, we want to divide, and if it goes in this direction, we want to multiply. The same we are studied in the unit of length. It's going to this direction. From left to right, we want to divide, and it's going from right to left, we want to multiply. That is, to convert milligram to gram, we want to divide with 1000. To convert this gram to kilogram, we want to divide with 1000. And to convert the kilogram to gram, it's the direction. Multiply with 1000. Convert gram to milligram, multiply with 1000. Is it clear?